Hi, it's your girl Yami, and I'm back because I am gonna go have my Donna day. So Donna and I are gonna go hang out in Lakeland. Gonna go check out Burlington, maybe Target, and then we're gonna go for lunch. And I figure I'd take you guys with us for lunch. So I hope you're hungry because we're gonna eat somewhere good. Hi guys, your girl Yami's here, and guess where we're at? We're out eating. I'm with Donna. Here's Donna. So we decided to come out to eat. We're in Lakeland, Florida. We're at Ling's Buffet, and we're gonna go eat some Chinese food. You want some sushi? You can get some sushi over here. That's seaweed salad, homemade kimchi, and sushi. They got wonton soup, and I love it. Definitely hot. Different soups, rice, noodles, miso soup, General Tso, bourbon chicken, and there's rice. I got wonton
I'm ready to go.
soup. The broth is good. I do need a little. And a little soy sauce too. Yep. That started off right.
$5.99.
Let me try the rice. The rice is good. The egg roll's good. If you can tell, they were getting old. They'd be better fresh. But definitely crumbly. Let's see. Sweet and sour chicken. Sweet and sour sauce. Their sweet sour sauce is very diluted. It's not as thick as if you were to go to a Chinese restaurant and order the sweet sour chicken. And overall,
It's hot too, which makes it better.
okay, this is a chicken teriyaki roll. You got rolls, you got fish, another fish, apple cobbler, stuffed mushrooms, and you got chicken wings, and you know who that's for? Oh, you got french fries. I'm gonna try some chicken and broccoli. I want to make sure I get chicken and broccoli. So far I got broccoli. Piece of chicken. There we go. So you have a choice for dessert. You know, there's pudding, there's fruit, cookies, and then they have ice cream. So I went with mandarin oranges. Take a more drink? Water, please. Yes, please. Thank you. So you can't go wrong with mandarin oranges or chocolate pudding. Okay, I found the golden ticket. The ice cream. It is very creamy. It's not chunky. There's no piece of ice in it. It's very creamy. And I got a twist. Yep. Okay, we got full. We had to stop. I had to put it away. No more. That's it. We're done. We're full. All right, that was our day. Ling's was good. Didn't buy anything today. There wasn't anything out. Nothing worth getting today. So it ended up getting hotter than I thought it was supposed to today. So I'm home. I'm hot. So now I'm going to cool down and get ready to get dinner started here shortly. And hope you guys enjoyed our afternoon lunch. But we made it through lunch, so that was good. So now I'm home and I'm gonna get dinner going. So as always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. See you next time.